welcome back to Motor Maniacs. This is Pratik.
Hi guys, this is Akshay.
So actually recently Honda is warming up in the market. है ना?
बहुत देर से जो लोगों को हम abuse करते रहे और मतलब resent करते रहे.
Abuse is a wrong word. Abuse नहीं.
Almost.
Abuse तो नहीं.
Almost. Because abuse इसीलिए मैंने word इतना strong word use किया कि such a great brand had no footprint in India.
Correct.
In terms of premium bikes.
Big wings in short.
हाँ. एक्टिवा का तो बहुत बढ़िया फुटप्रिंट है.
एक्टिवा फुटप्रिंट, एक्टिवा का पूरा ट्रैक है. एक्टिवा ही एक्टिवा हर जगह पे, जहाँ जाओ एक्टिवा. सो बेसिकली अगर आप रिसेंटली अगर आप फॉलो कर रहे हो कोई मोटर चैनल को या मोटर यूनिवर्स को, सो होंडा ने लगातार अभी 3 बड़े बड़े लॉन्चेस कर दिए इंडिया में. 3 क्या है? 3 मंथ भी मैं नहीं कहूँगा. In fact, I would say this year it has launched multiple products.
Yeah.
Starting with the 650 Twins.
Yeah.
Twins not the engine wise, but Twins. एक आपका 650R और 650F naked.
Yeah. The
inline 4.
Yeah.
Then they launched it with E-Class as well.
Yeah.
अभी E-Class के साथ भी आ गया है, मॉडल आ गया है.
Very recently.
And pricing अब मुझे लगता है कि they are it's fine. 9.99 ex showroom for the 650R and 9.20 for the 650F.
Yeah.
Which is on par if you check the market competition right now. जैसे आपका कंपटीशन है तो कोई Daytona 675 है, sorry 675 my bad, कोई नाम हमारे वही चढ़ा हुआ है, Daytona 660.
Yeah, 660.
That's the only competition that it has. Naked कैटेगरी में अभी recently launch किया है इन्होंने what CB 750 Hornet
750 Hornet
and CB 1000 Hornet SP.
SP, not only the regular one, the SP
with the Öhlins
suspension and Brembo brakes.
Correct. And that is just 12.35 lakh rupees at showroom, which is at least 1.2 lakh cheaper than the Suzuki Katana.
Such a relief finally. At least meaningful pricing. Correct. At last meaningful pricing. और जापानीज ब्रांड से हम इतना स्पेशली होंडा जिनसे हमको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन है, उनके प्राइसिंग इतने ज़्यादा आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड होते थे जहाँ अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती थी, दैट वी वर डिसअपॉइंटेड.
एग्जांपल्स हैं हमारे पास. जैसे आपकी अगर बात करूँ रेबल 500 लॉन्च किया इन्होंने, दैट इज अगेन 5.13 which with a twin cylinder but makes less power and less torque than the 650 Twins.
Or anything available in the market.
Correct.
In terms
which is around half the price of them.
Yeah.
And then they have the NX 500.
Yeah.
Again, a touring setup, a big bike. Actually, it's a very big bike if you look at, but the power figures are minimal. It's a good bike, no doubt. That costs around 5.8 ex showroom.
In a price sensitive market like India, I mean, who's gonna buy that?
Correct.
Can you imagine? Okay, that's props to them for at least चलो वो launch तो कर रहे हैं, चलो कुछ तो market में लेके आ रहे हैं. But guys, end of the day अगर आप इन बाइक्स के sales figures देखते हैं,
कुछ भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
Sales figures की बात करूँ, last financial year में Hayabusa was the highest selling bike.
So the market is growing. People are ready to spend money.
Correct.
But where are the other Japanese manufacturers?
But now they launched the CB 750 Hornet. अगर आप देखो उसका pricing भी ठीक है, not bad. I would say not a very good price,
still good,
but not a bad price.
At least it's you can still think कि हाँ यार कि I can think of buying the
That's a twin cylinder but with a 270 degree firing.
Yeah, and good power,
91 horsepower, which is fair enough.
Which is
for a 191 kg bike,
which is enough for India. Which is enough. And it looks good.
Correct, it looks good.
Looks good. It will sound good with a 270 degree crank.
C1000, it's again. That's
I mean that is the pick of the bunch for us.
Correct.
I mean पुरानी Fireblade का engine, amazing styling, good suspension, good brakes.
157 bhp is also not less. It's more than enough. I would say.
Never be able to use that on roads.
Correct. if you basically compare it with Suzuki Katana, which is 150 bhp.
Yeah.
This is 157.
Yeah.
7 bhp more at a 1.2 lakh cheaper price and more good looking, I would say.
Yeah.
Katana is
niche.
The looks.
It's a niche product.
Looks is subjective.
Yeah.
That's for a particular.
You love it or you hate it.
This looks is for mass audience.
Yeah. Correct. And I believe a very practical choice for an Indian person looking for an inline 4, looking for a practical bike, looking for a comfortable bike, and that is good looking, has got good suspension and the legendary Honda reliability.
Honda's Transalp is already on sale.
Yeah, Transalp is on sale.
Same engine, 750cc, which I believe the Hornet uses.
Yeah. Yeah, with a different state of tune maybe.
Correct.
But yeah,
Almost the same engine and
so maybe let's say hit and miss. Some things are hit and some things are have missed the point. Just like the new scooter that's available from Honda.
yes, that's a crossbreed between a scooter and a bike. It's a crossbreed between a Suzuki Bergman and Africa Twin.
Yeah, maybe something like that.
Not sure.
But like guys, आप खुद
but that again has a competition. The BMW 400 GT. Obviously, this scooter is much capable and much better, much powerful than that. But again, 12 lakhs for a. I won't say it's a maxi scooter also.
Yeah.
It's a what? Scooter cycle?
Yeah, so sort of like that.
Scooter cycle.
But when was the last time you saw that BMW scooter in India?
Motor.
Yeah, something like that.
Scooter cycle, right?
You know already, guys. I don't know what the planning committee is doing on this because आप सोचिए कि वो you can already imagine साल में वो scooter कितने बिक जाएंगे इंडिया के.
So basically
1, 2,
correct.
3, 5.
But anything now, at least will have something to see in the big wing.
Yeah,
than the 350 lineup.
Yes. At least
the Honda CB 350
something to
we
see.
have a lot to see now.
But yeah, there's so much more than they can bring.
Correct.
So much more.
CBR 500 maybe.
500, yes.
It's a good option.
If they bring it in a practical price range.
CBR 300 also.
Yeah.
We already have a CB 300 here, but CBR 300 would be a good option.
In a practical price range. Not the sort
under
of rebel.
Under 3 should be fine.
वो rebel वाली pricing नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं, वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा out of the ballpark चले जाता है. So anything like maybe I would say 500 Africa Twin, that's
affordable.
Yes. More off-road.
Would love to see
CRF maybe.
Would love to see something like that.
Correct.
From Honda. From Honda. One of our favorite companies ever.
Correct.
And I would love to see some.
Suzuki also has its products on the line.
Yeah.
So I hope
good times ahead.
Yamaha wakes up soon.
Maybe not.
Yamaha wakes up soon.
Yamaha was claiming they're going to launch the R7, MT-07 and the R9. They had it in the Auto Expo as well.
They had Terrene also, but I don't know what happened to that.
Maybe soon. Maybe this year. Correct. Maybe end of this year.
Correct.
That's coming as well.
Yes. So guys,
because they made the official statement, so it might be coming soon.
So guys, keep tuned in and do like, share and subscribe.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.